Welcome to the Health Assessment and Exam course in the RN to BSN online program. My name is Sarah Davidson and I will be your instructor this summer. My nursing career began following graduation with my bachelor's degree in nursing in 1992 from the University of Arkansas for Medical Sciences in Little Rock. After graduation, I served in the United States Navy and worked in both medical surgical and mental health units. After taking time to grow my family, I returned to nursing as a part-time instructor at Arkansas State University, followed by 10 years as a full-time assistant professor in the AASN program on our West Memphis campus before returning to Jonesboro in 2016. I earned an MSN with Nurse Educator concentration from A-State in 2012 and will graduate with a DNP in Nursing Educational Leadership in December 2018. I'm currently the RN to BSN program director and also teach in the traditional BSN program as the mental health clinical coordinator. My husband and I live in Jonesboro. We have 5 grown children and 2 grandchildren. I can be contacted via email at sarahdavidson@astate.edu or by office phone at 870-972-2748. The best way to contact me this semester is by email. Leave a phone number if you would like for me to call you back. My office hours are varied according to student request. I am looking forward to getting to know you this semester and hope you enjoy the course.